Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a beautiful 1968 Chevrolet short box C10. It's a little bit different. I don't do consignment, guys, but this is a good buddy of mine's truck, and I told him I'd sell the truck for him or help him sell it. So we're going to go ahead and advertise it for him. But neat truck. Truck has just undergone about 18 months ago a frame-up restoration. He bought it from a guy about a year ago, and he said it's a guy new, and I think he said he got a little pinch for some cash, and so he bought it. And really, he's got a ton of cars, and that's what he said. I need another vehicle like I need a hole in the head, and so he's decided he's just going to sell this truck. But finished in Tuxedo black. It's got all new TMI black leather interior in it. A lot of neat stuff. Aluminum headed small block, 4-wheel disc brakes. It's got all CPP tubular front suspension. I'm sorry, front and rear suspension. Truck hits the road good, and like I say, a fresh restoration. Chrome and stainless is nice. There's not a whole lot to really nitpick on the truck. I'll try to show you a couple of things that I've seen. Bumpers are nice. They put the custom mirrors on it. Glass is nice on the truck. Love the TMI interior in it. They are making some great stuff, I'll tell you that. It's got a really nice rhino line bed in it. This is nice if you want to use, you know, the rhino lines are, matter of fact, I had them in a new Dodge pickup truck I had. They're really nice. You know, they're bulletproof. Same thing here. Truck's nice and straight down the sides. It's got a set of 17-inch American racing wheels on it, Bridgestone rubber all the way around it. Really straight truck. Again, 4-wheel disc brakes. Truck sits good. It's got a healthy aluminum headed 350 small block in it, Edelbrock 4-barrel, really detailed up nice underneath the hood here. Trick flow aluminum heads. It's got the Edelbrock polished air gap intake. It's got a set of headers on it. You can see the top here. It's got all CPP tubular front suspension on it with a big sway bar, March aluminum pulleys and brackets, power steering, power 4-wheel disc brakes. It's got a really nice set of Edelbrock billet air cleaner and valve covers on it. Be Cool aluminum radiator with dual electric fans. See, the inner fenders are all powder coated. 350 turbohydramatic transmission. Good looking truck. Looks like new door handles. Door seams are nice and clean. Bracket to put on there. New carpet. Brand new TMI bucket seats with the center console. These guys make great stuff. Chrome tilt column with a billet wheel. Showing 61,000 miles on it, 61,310. We don't know the mileage on the restoration, but like I said, it was just done about 18 months ago, he said. Radio delete truck. It's got the padded dash. I showed you that. Oh, they've also put the shoulder harness seat belts in it. It's got an H-pipe dual exhaust system on it. Again, tubular CPP rear suspension, 12-bolt 373 positive rear axle. Custom fuel tank. So we can do this with one arm. Got my handprints all over it. The truck's very nice underneath. I know in the glove box, the owner's manual, Protecto plates in there. Stressing to you guys, pick up the phone and call us. We can't stress that enough right now. A lot of fraud out there. If you're looking at one of Southern Motors cars, pick up the phone, call us 248-620-3355. Make sure you're dealing directly with my guys. And a lot of fraud, so like I say, make sure you are dealing directly with my guys. Holding good oil pressure down there. Temp gauge works. Battery gauge works. Got an aftermarket temp gauge. Looks like we got a one backup light out. Check that. What, that thing gets its arms quick, man, runs strong. Blower motor work? No. Okay, no on the blower motor, guys. Wipers are functional. Got the updated headlights too. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page, our Facebook page, our TikTok page. Definitely subscribe to this YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the button right there at the bottom. Have a great day, guys.